from the KMAX Storm Team Weather Lab, here's meteorologist Kelly Scott.
Welcome back, everyone. Good Tuesday morning. Absolutely beautiful out there. Yesterday, we saw those temperatures climb into the low to mid 70s around the South Plains. Not quite as warm today, but we're still sticking above the average mark. I'm expecting highs in the mid 60s. So again, can't complain for late January. Just a tad bit cooler. The winds, though, watching a front that will move through. We'll see the wind shift out of the west behind this Pacific front, picking up on the windy side by later this morning, early afternoon, and throughout the rest of the day. We'll also usher in slightly cooler air for us. So overnight, I'm expecting temperatures to drop back into the 20s. And then by tomorrow and for the rest of your work week, we will be much closer to average with highs in the upper 40s to low 50s. But overall, for the next week, we will continue to stay dry as well as continue to see very quiet weather conditions for all of us in West Texas. Here's a look at your regional satellite and radar. Yesterday, upper level ridge continued to keep us clear throughout the day. Well, that's beginning to break down just a bit as it slides off to the east. I can see a little bit of that shower activity in north and eastern New Mexico. That is right along that frontal boundary that's heading our way as we head into later this morning. We do have wind advisories, though, that will be in effect for the majority of the South Plains. All these counties highlighted in the tan color here, beginning at 11 a.m. later this morning, extending until this evening at 6 p.m. A lot of these areas, especially in our north and western counties, I am expecting gusts anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour at times. Could generate a little bit of blowing dust for some of us later this afternoon. Quick traffic check. Marcia Sharp, everything moving smoothly, picking up just a tad this morning as we head closer to the 7 o'clock hour. As for those temperatures, warmer start to your day. Most of us low to mid 40s, 42 here in Lubbock, 44 in Brownfield, and 50 right now in Tatum. Not bad at all in eastern New Mexico. Winds also stayed a little on the breezy side overnight, but not too bad. Most of us 10 to 15 miles per hour. You can see the windier conditions up to our northern counties, Tulia, Dimmitt, and even into Clovis and Friona. Sustained winds anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour, and all of us will see those speeds continue to pick up as we head into later this afternoon. That's thanks to this Pacific front that will be edging closer by mid-morning, should enter our western counties, then clear all of us in the South Plains by early this afternoon. Winds out of the west, that's when we're really going to see them pick up during around the lunchtime hour and throughout the remainder of the day. Clear skies overnight. I will allow those temperatures to drop into the 20s, but we will see mostly clear skies by the afternoon tomorrow. Quiet conditions. 64 later today. A little cooler than yesterday, but not too bad. Overnight, here comes the colder air. Mid to upper 20s. Feeling the chill by tomorrow morning and by tomorrow afternoon. Still cooler, upper 40s to low 50s as we finish out your work week. And here is our Tuesday trivia question. Who was the first mayor of Lubbock? Now, Monica nailed this the first time last hour, so I'm going to ask all of you. Was it A, Frank Wheelock, B, Ross Edwards, C, Percy Spencer, or D, J.J. Clements? You want to tell everyone you guessed the first time?
Yes, my guess was A, Frank Wheelock.
And she was 100% right. The answer is A, Frank Wheelock. He began serving his term back in 1909.
Good fun fact for the day.
A little history,
Lubbock
political,
trivia.
all of that good stuff.
All right, thanks so much, Kelly.